this is a sponsored video for this clothing rack. We're going to go ahead and get it put together now. So we've completed the clothing rack, and I just wanted to show how you can put not only clothing but other things like luggage on here. We have two different racks, two sizes on the right side. I decided to just use the left side as the longer one so you can put longer coats on there. The shelves are adjustable, so you can design it originally how you want, like taller or not. And as you can see on this shelf right here, I made it a lot taller so I could put boots on there. I have luggage on there right now, but a lot of different ways that you can kind of customize this to your own needs. So the two shoe shelves can be made flush together if you want to help to bring order and all of that and hold it nicely together. And it also has sturdy wire shelves. So you can see nice and sturdy. And then we have up here the sturdy clothing rack. Then we have another one down here for our shorter clothing items if we want to put them on there. And then over here we can have, like I said, long coats and dresses, and then even more storage at the bottom. So this would hold like evening gown length dresses even. So what a cool storage system without having to have like a built-in closet system. I think this is great. Definitely what we needed here in this room for storing all of our clothing. You could put bedding on here as well. Just really great all the way around.